Hi dear students, welcome to a new session of ColorCube. Today we are continuing with chapter 5, HCF and LCM. In this session we are going to discuss on repeated division method. Last class we discussed on prime factorization method 1, that is factor tree method. Today we are going to discuss method 2, repeated division method. In this method, the given numbers are divided by the prime numbers until the remainder is a prime number or 1. In this method, divide the given numbers by prime numbers. Here, as the name denotes, it is also a type of division. Here, we are considering only the prime numbers. We are dividing the given numbers using prime numbers only until we get the remainder as 1. Let's see some examples. Prime factorization of 12 using repeated division method. If it is specifically given repeated division method, you should do in this method itself. Prime factorization of 12 using repeated division method. This is a format of doing this division. First, write the given number here, 12. Now we are going to divide it. First, start from the smallest prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? Smallest prime number 2. After that 3. Then 5. Every time you should follow this way. First you should check the given number is divisible by 2 or not. Since 12 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. So 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 6, we will get this number. Again, factorize 6. 6 is also divisible by 2, first prime number. 2 into 3 is 6. Now, after that, 3. Since 3 is a prime number, take down 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So, we can check also 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. In case of factorization of repeated division method, 2 steps should be noticed are, should check whether these numbers are prime numbers. Either it can be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. And also, at last, you should get 1. So, the prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Moving on to next example. Prime factorization of 20 using repeated division method. First one, 20. Since 5 is either we can divide it by 2, here it is seen. Also factorize it by 5. 5 into 4. If I write 4 here, it is wrong because 4 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So I wrote 4 here. 5 is a prime number. So okay. 5 into 4 is 20. Again factorize 4. It is divisible by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now 2 is a prime number. Take down that. 2 into 1 is 2. See, if you follow this way, no problem. 20 is divisible by 2, so take down 2. 2 into 10 is 20. 2 into 5 is 10. 5 is a prime number, so take it out. 5 into 1 is 5. 20-നെ നമുക്ക് ഈ രണ്ട് രീതിയിലും ഫാക്ടറൈസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഏത് രീതി സെലക്ട് ചെയ്താലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ പ്രൈം നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കണം. അതാണ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കണ്ടീഷൻ. പ്രൈം നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കണം. പിന്നെ ഫാക്ടറൈസ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യണം ടിൽ വി ഗെറ്റ് 1. അതിനുശേഷം താഴെ നമ്മൾ പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടറൈസേഷൻ ഓഫ് 20 ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 into 2 into 5. ബോത്ത് കേസസ് 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5 എന്ന് എഴുതുക. നമുക്കിത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കിത് കിട്ടണം. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5 20. Example 3. Prime factorization of 27 using repeated division method. I wrote 27. Factorizing. It is not divisible by 2. It is not an even number. So take the next prime number. It is 3. 3 9s are 27. So I factorize it by 3 into 9, 27. Now factorize 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Now 3 is a prime number. Take it out. 3 into 1 is 3. So prime factorization of 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Next one, prime factorization of 90 using repeated division method. We can factorize 90 by different ways. Only one way is given here. You please try it. 90, last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. 2 into 45 is 90. Again 45. 3 into 15 is 45. Next we want to factorize 15. 3 into 5. Take out 5. 5 into 1 is 5. If bigger numbers are given, if you don't know directly to find half of it or 3 by 1/3 of it, just divide it and see here. 90 normal division method. 90 divided by 2. വലിയ നമ്പറുകൾ തന്നാൽ നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് 90 divided by 2 എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയില്ല എങ്കിൽ നോർമൽ ഡിവിഷൻ മെത്തേഡിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 45 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. 45നെ കാണുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് നോട്ട് divisible by 2. അപ്പോൾ 45 divided by 3 ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ നോക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 45 divided by 5 ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ നോക്കണം. രണ്ട് വിധത്തിലും ചെയ്യാം. Prime factorization of 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 72 using repeated division method. 72 can be written as 2 into 36. 36 2 into 18. Then 2 into 9 is 18. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 9. 3 is a prime number. Take it out. 3 into 1 is 3. Prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factorization of 150 using repeated division method. 150 can be written as 2 into 75. 75 can be written as 3 into 25. 25 be written as 5 into 5. Taking out 5, 5 into 1 is 5. So prime factorization of 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factorization of 1080 using repeated division method. Even though it is a 4-digit number, just try it. Just divide it and see. 1080 divided by 2, we will get 540. 540 is also an even number, so again divide it by 2, we will get 270. 270 is also an even number. Dividing by 2, we will get 135. 135 is divisible by 5. Then we will get 5 into 27. 27 is divisible by 3. 3 into 9, 27. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Again 3 into 1 is 3. So prime factorization of 1080 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Thank you.